My name is Margaret Kato. I am Head of Quality and Supply Chain Management. And we work with key suppliers base mainly in mainland China and Taiwan and Israel. We have a long-term partnership with these manufacturers. Many of them we have been working for the past 20 years. And I think the newest would be about 4 or 5 years. And we actually add value in the sense that we are able to interact with the customers promptly and then actually understand the customer requirements to be able to translate into the manufacturing process and stuff.
So we are choosing the right manufacturing partner for them for special technology, what they want. It is OLED, TFT, or it is mono display. So we are choosing the right partner with a better experience, better knowledge that can provide a better solution, probably the right product with a good quality, probably competitive price.
First of all, we would actually work with the requirements of your projects, your specific project, and then we propose few solutions, alternative solutions that you could have, options, and then we would actually select the right partner to manufacture this type of project, which is not only from the technical perspective, but also from commercial and long-term reliability that is required for the project.